my name is Arman, and my Belize project is Parrots of Belize. I will be talking about 3 parrots, and if you have any questions, I will answer them. First, I will be talking about the yellow-headed Amazon, which has a yellow forehead. It has red dots on its wings, and sometimes has blue and yellow also on its wings. And so the yellowhead lives up to 70 years, and they eat fruits, berries, nuts, and seeds. And where they live to the tropical South America and Panama. And here's the white-fronted. The white-fronted has a white patch under its forehead, and on its forehead it has a little blue patch. And around its eyes it has a little red and a little blue, and also has blue and red dots on its wings. And so that they eat fruits, berries, plants, seeds, nuts, and corn, and they live up to 50 years. And they can make 30 to 40 different sounds. And now I'll be talking about the red-lored Amazon. The red-lored has a red on its lore and a blue head, and it has yellow cheeks with a little bit of red dots on its wings. And they eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. And they live in eastern Mexico, South Ecuador, and a big population of central Brazil. And they make a screech sound that is not present to the ears. And that is my Belize project. Thank you for listening.